In this video, you'll learn how to undo changes in WordPress. This guide will help you navigate the WordPress interface and effectively revert any unwanted modifications you have made to your site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. In your web browser, enter the URL for wordpress.com. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard. This is where you manage all your sites and content. Next, locate the section labeled Sites on the dashboard. Click on this option to see a list of your created sites. If you have multiple sites, ensure you choose the correct one that you wish to edit. After selecting your site, you will be directed to the site's management interface. Look for a button or link that says close to exit the current editing mode or view. Clicking this will take you back to the main site dashboard. Once you are back on the main dashboard, you can make any necessary changes. If you have deleted something by mistake, you can easily undo that action. Look for the undo button, usually located in the editing toolbar at the top of the screen. Clicking this will revert your last change. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut for undoing changes. Simply press Ctrl and Z together on your keyboard. This command will also reverse your last action. Keep in mind that this will only work for recent changes, so ensure you perform this step promptly. If you encounter any issues, remember that the availability of the undo feature might depend on your current session and the context of your edits. Additionally, if your site is experiencing slow performance, it may take longer for the undo action to process, especially with larger changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.